Abot mo na ang Torres 5 Line, imported from Barcelona, Spain. Lasap mo ang bango, tamis at sarap. Tikman mo, lasapin mo, abot mo na ang sarap.
Open up! Never have I ever dared to stand out. Said yes to the unknown. Lit up the night. Don't worry, the fun never ever has to stop.
Tanduay flavored mixes. Try it in smooth, citrusy sweet daiquiri or fresh ginger spice zesty storm. Tanduay flavored mixes.
Just open up.
Drink responsibly.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Here we tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. May new drink tayong favorite. Refresh your eyes. Yummy rise. Invigorize. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump. Rise Energy Pop, ang bagong fruity grape surprise na sakto ang price. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump. Cheers sa barkada nating night shift.
Kahit gaano kabigat ang night shift, magaan ang umaga. Pagkasama ang barkada at Tanduay Light. Tanduay Light, gaan ang may kasama.
Abot mo na ang Torres 5 Line, imported from Barcelona, Spain. Lasap mo ang bango, tamis at sarap. Tikman mo, lasapin mo, abot mo na ang sarap na inaasam mo. Abot mo na ang Torres.
Kahit pagod, matibay ang loob. Pag nagkamali, handang itama. Kasama mo, Tanduay, higit 170 years ng swabe at buo ang lasa. Para sa matibay ang loob, tibay, Tanduay.
Sa bawat hakbang mo, mararating mo ang tagumpay. At ang ambisyon mong bagong buhay para sa'yo at para sa kanila. PNB, every step together.
This could be you.
Be the face that redefines Philippine healthcare. Unleash your potential. Ignite your purpose. University of the East Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup live inside the Bongtan Basketball Hall here in Quiapo, Manila for our third game. In game number 2, it's going to be Zebra Holdings Inc. contra PMFTC Lions. Once again, my name is Roy Sacote. Together with me is Arjan De La Cruz, as these two teams contrasting lang ulit. Same as our second game, yun nangyari sa first game nila. ZHI Holdings lost their first game. PMFTC Lions won their first game. So Arjan, pag-usapan naman natin ano nangyari dito sa game ng Zebra Holdings when they matched up against Eton Century Park Hotel in their first game. It was a 10-point loss by Zebra against Eton.
Oo, itong
Eton nga, no, nanalo sa laban kontra dito sa Zebra ZHI. Pero yung ZHI, marami naman silang pinakitang maganda doon sa laro na yon, no. Medyo lumaban naman, dumikit yung laban. Pero yun nga lang, hindi kinaya yung firepower ng Eton.
Zebra Holdings made an impressive debut, but Eton had more firepower from the Arwin R. Albano and Mitchell Tan duo that gave them a rude welcome. Meanwhile, different story naman for PMFTC Lions when they matched up against UERM Medical Center in their first game, which was last week. They won that game by 9 points, 83-74.
Oo, kaya pinahirapan itong UERM, PMFTC.
Yes.
Maganda rin yung field goal percentage nila, shooting 44% on the field, and yung rebounding din yung naging strength nila kontra sa UERM, 60 rebounds. At sa points in the paint, nakikita natin yung inside presence na advantage ng PMFTC dito sa ating laro.
PMFTC Lions made a successful debut in the 2026 tournament, but let's look at this head-to-head matchup natin. It's Vincent Aringo versus Joselito Del Carmen.
Oo, parehas 30
Grabe.
points ang kanilang binitawan last game. Talagang very exciting matchup ang ating matutunghayan ngayon. 11 rebounds pa ang pinakita ni Joselito Del Carmen. Double-double para sa kanya, pero dito kay Vicente Aringo, meron naman siyang 8 assists and 8 steals. What a game for him.
So let's see if will Zebra Holdings Inc. bounce back in their previous loss, or will PMFTC Lions go on and get their second straight win here in the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. And of course, our tournament director is no other than Bonnie Tan. Commissioner is the point laureate, Ronnie Magsanok. Our technical head is Jimmy Mariano. Here in the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup, we are live inside the one and only Bongtan Basketball Hall here in the city of Manila. And we highly encourage everyone to watch us live here, no, dito sa Quiapo, sa Bongtan Basketball Hall. Libre lang po manood. If siningil kayo ni Arjan, hindi po pwede yun. Libre lang po yung ticket dito. But eto, ang ating ZHI starting 5. For ZHI is Aringo, De Gracia, Dayaw, Arimango, and Cancio. And for the other end naman, nakita nyo naman kanina. Diba? Ayan, umangat ulit. Si Mendez, Medenilia, Del Carmen, Redad, and Cabais for PMFTC. And tipped 1 by PMFTC Lions. Garrick Redad. Early foul here at the start of the first quarter.
Isang possession pa lang, 7 seconds pa lang ng ating laro. Naka-foul agad. Nakabingwit ng foul itong si
Garrick.
Oo, Garrick Redad.
Oh, Garrick Redad last game, he was actually scoreless. Played for 5 minutes and 45 seconds. So that's his first point this season sa 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. As these two free throws brought to you by UERM Medical Center. Clinical excellence for your peace of mind and overall well-being. 1 for 2 nga lang. Last game, PMFTC Lions shot 56% from the free throw line when they matched up against UERM, who will be playing right after this one. Oh, good pass inside to Ariel Cancio.
Ariel Cancio, maganda ka ball movement ang pinapakita ng ZHI sa kanilang first possession.
9.5 in the first quarter. Nakascore na kagad yung dalawang kupunan natin, ha? So great start for these two. As here comes Junen De Gracia. Kicks it to their playing head coach, Jerwin Dayaw. Misses, but good cleanup for Ariel Cancio.
Ariel Cancio, nagtatrabaho din para sa kanilang kupunan. Kailangan yung bawat isa dito dahil lahat kailangan mag-step up, hindi lang yung dalawang matchup natin.
Actually, Ariel Cancio did not play last game. Let's look at that baseline J for Joselito Del Carmen. A minute had gone by here in this game, and both teams shooting off to a great start as Del Carmen spins. 3-on-2 break. Oh, too unselfish there for Garrick Redad. He could have just taken that shot.
Nagulat din siya na open siya.
Minsan talaga ganun.
Oo, nakakagulat talaga. Samantala, sa kabila, Ariel Cancio. Wow.
Grabe.
Tatrabaho rin talaga to si
Ariel Cancio. Dahil sabi mo nga, hindi naglaro to last game. Siguro sobrang excited na itong laro na to.
Para sa kanya.
Oo.
Long distance to naman on the other end. Wala nga lang ka for Emmanuel Medinilla. ZHI, Sherwin. Passes it. Oh, good bump to create separation for an easy deuce for Ferdinand Adrigado.
Maganda ang pinapakita ng ZHI.
Ferdinand Agregado actually only scored 8 points last game. However, 13 rebounds, dished out 6 assists, pero 7 turnovers nga lang for Adrigado last game. So that's one of the things that he needs to work on coming into this game, is to make better decisions. Just like that, Joselito Del Carmen going to work inside the paint.
Joselito Del Carmen, 4 points agad para sa kanyang pangalan.
As Sherwin Diao misses. Here comes Eric Mendez. Misses on that perimeter jumper. Sherwin. Oh, good pass underneath. Great defense. Matatawagin nga lang ng foul. Si Randy Cabais.
Ariel Cancio starting the ball game very strong. 6 points on his name. And may chance pa siya maggawa kagad na 8 points.
Oo. However, misses on the first. ZHI shot 51% from the line in their debut game last week. This is the new team on the block dito sa 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup natin. Etong Zebra Holdings Inc. So 8-5 is the score. PMFTC down by 3. Eric misses. Here comes ZHI. Oh, stolen from behind. And, oh, great defense. Pero that's the right way to do it for Emmanuel Medinilla.
Oo.
So, meron na siyang steal. May rebound pa. May points pa. Grabe, 3 stats yung na-cover niya dun, ha? Oh, what a feed! And may foul nga lang. That would be a highlight for Cancio and Adrigado.
Papansin natin yung offense ng ZHI. Hindi sila makasarili. Talagang nag-share sila ng bola every time na may kumakat. Nire-rewardan nila yung teammates nila. What a way, no? Para kung paano nila laruin itong first quarter natin.
And it just shows that chemistry is really an important factor for ZHI. Again, it doesn't mean na bago kami dito is hindi namin kilala yung isa't isa. It just shows that before they come here in this tournament, they came in prepared. Really a lot of practice dito for ZHI coming into the season. PMFTC. Right corner 3. Knocks that one in for Eric Mendez. Eric Mendez in their previous outing actually did not play for PMFTC Lions. Let's look at that. The playing head coach of ZHI. First made bucket here for Sherwin Diao.
Ganda yung percentage na dalawang kupunan natin, ha?
Mataas.
Oo, mataas.
Except for PMFTC.
Yes, ay oo. 37% pala ang PMFTC dito.
Oh, look at that. Tic-tac-toe passing to Emmanuel Medinilla. That shot is brought to you by Torres 5 Light Brandy. Nakuha pa ng PMFTC ang bola. Wala nga lang. Oh, kita mo yung pasa na yun? As Ridad looking.
Oh. Akala ko maaagaw pa.
And look at that, zigzagging his way through. Follow-up is no good. Gets it right back. Wala ulit. And a lot of offensive rebounds for PMFTC Lions. And PMFTC Lions last game, they got 60 rebounds, out-rebounding UERM, limiting them to only rebound 46 in their previous game. It just shows that this team is a rebounding team, Arjen. And the more rebounds that you have, the more opportunities of scoring for your team. That's the reason why they won that game last game. Tama ba? Tama daw.
Exactly, no? Yun talaga yung nagiging strength nila dito. And nakikita naman natin yung build nung yung Ramling.
Yes.
Biggest guy on the floor right now. Kita naman natin na napakatangkad at napakalaki itong player na to.
As Jerwin has it, CHI on top of the arc, no go. Oh, last touch by PMFTC. Papasok dito si Ronel Roma for Zebra Holdings Inc. 11 on the shot clock for ZHI. They're only shooting, well, they're shooting 55% from the field right now, so way above their previous game as turnover for Jerwin Dayaw. It's a 1-point lead for PMFTC. And PMFTC Lions, very high percentage in their previous game. Imagine shooting 33 out of 74 from the field. That's 44% field goal percentage for PMFTC last game. Nakita mo, may steal pa ulit for PMFTC. Oh, good save! That was a good save by Ronel Roma.
It's a nice hustle play there. Kailangan na kailangan kasi outnumbered sila pagbaba ng offense ng PMFTC. Pero still, able to stop their offense.
Ronel passes it inside with the reverse, the hoop and the harm. The hard way for Ariel Cancio. Ariel Cancio, this, again, kanina ba natin ito sinasabi, hindi siya naglaro last game. But in this game, already making a huge impact for ZHI. Look at that beautiful pass underneath to Cancio.
Ariel Cancio, 8 points,
wow.
I believe. Oh yes, 8 points dito sa ating start ng laro. Make it 8.
Meron pala.
Make it
sumablay
8.
kasi.
Oo, sumablay.
In-anticipate mo na
in-anticipate ko. Na-jinx, na-jinx.
Okay lang yun. But it just shows no, na parang meron palang sekretong player itong ZHI Holdings na hindi naglaro. As look at that block by Ariel Cancio. From offense to defense, etong si Ariel. However, wide open 3, wala nga lang for Joselito Del Carmen. Oh, there's a foul before. Oh, yeah. So the basket will not count. So 2 free throws dito for Ramling. Ramling. Last game, this guy shot 40% from the field. 8 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Played for 21 minutes. So quality minutes being given by Ram here for Coach Joseph Alan Aldea. This game is brought to you by Eton Properties Philippines Inc. As good pass. Kitang-kita mo, Arjan, no? They're always looking for Ariel Cancio inside the shaded area. And alam mo yung nakakapagtaka? Na ipapasa ng Zebra Holdings Inc. yung bola sa loob.
Oo. Nadadalian yung ZHI doon na mapunta kay Cancio yung bola eh.
Pero ito, may timeout break dito ang PMFTC or ang ZHI. This game is brought to you by Modern Fox Barbershop for the Modern Gentleman. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. This game is brought to you by PNB, ZHI, Tanduay Athletics, Torres 5 Light Brandy, UERM Medical Center, Modern Fox, PMFTC, Asia Brewery, UE Manila, pati Philippine Airlines, and of course, Arjan de la Cruz. Grabe. It's a pleasure na nakatrabaho ko ang isang Arjan de la Cruz dito sa BKT.
Siyempre, it's a pleasure din sa akin.
Naku po.
Trabaho ang isang Roy Sacote.
Naku po.
Nag-uutuhan na yung dalawang panel. But let's take a look at that. PMFTC, another offensive rebound. Kanina pa sila nakaka-rebound in this game. It just shows that they really know how to position themselves across the floor. Imagine, only one player ang malaki dito for PMFTC, and this is the guy rambling at the free throw line. Katapat niya nga si Aldi Gucor na malaki rin for ZHI. But the way yung mga guards or mga small players na lang, kasi hindi ko na alam kung sino yung forward or guards dito ngayon on the floor for PMFTC. They know how to position really well. That's why they get a lot of rebounds in the first quarter alone.
Nadaan sa sipag. And yung alam nila kung saan sila pupwesto eh.
So 2 minutes and 45 remaining here in the first quarter. One point ball game. ZHI, that was all glass. Cancho. This has been the main guy talaga for Zebra Holdings.
For sure. Itong si Ariel Cancho doing damage dito sa ating first quarter. First double-digit player para sa ating laro, Rowie.
Already, first quarter pa lang. Just want to remind everyone. So 17-14 ang score natin as may whistle dito. Out of bounds. And hindi ko pa nga nakikita si Vincent Aringo gumagawa dito for Zebra Holdings Inc. For Joselito Del Carmen naman, he needs to step up. As look at that shot again for Cancho. Wow. It has been a Cancho clinic for ZHI.
12 points on his name.
Grabe. 2 points na lang. Score na ng PMFTC yun. As Mendez kicks it. Left corner 3. Rattles it home for Joselito Del Carmen. Like what I've said, this is the guy that needs to step up for PMFTC.
Exactly. Joselito Del Carmen. 7 points on his name dito sa ating laro. Kailangan niya ni Joselito dito magparamdam para sa PMFTC.
And turnover dito as Jerwin Diao didn't receive the ball. And this is what we call a knockout play. Pero na-depensahan, matatawagan nga lang ng travel si Emmanuel Medenilla.
Gandang depensa doon by ZHI. Masikip, kaya natawagan ng traveling.
(19-17) is the score. Jerwin missed that 3. And layup is good for Dondi Relos. No transition defense for ZHI after that miss from Jerwin Diao. Isa nga lang bumaba for ZHI just to defend that fast break.
Yun yung mahirap kapag yung mintis mo, yung mga ganong klaseng mintis. Kasi tatapon na lang ng naka-rebound na yun. Pero speaking of tapon,
Vicente Aringo. Itinapon sa tres yung bola. Sinks it in for 3. Oh, extra passing rejected by Ariel Cancho. That's his second block of the game here in the first quarter alone. Same spot, rounds it in out. Cancho, look at that! Oh my goodness! Welcome to the Cancho for Ariel. And ZHI up by 5. 3 seconds remaining. Gucor! It's no good, but regardless, 5-point lead already dito, Arjan.
Ariel Cancho. Bakit lamang ng 5 itong ZHI kontra sa PMFTC? Ariel Cancho doing damage. 14 points on his name against PMFTC na meron 19. Lamang ng 5 yung PMFTC dito.
Grabe, 14. So more than half of ZHI's score are from Ariel Cancho. Again, Cancho putting on a show right now. Welcome to the Ariel Cancho. But for PMFTC naman, of course, still anybody's ball game. Still have 3 more quarters. At the end of the first, 24-19 in favor of ZHI.
This could be you.
Be the face that redefines Philippine healthcare. Unleash your potential. Ignite your purpose. University of the East Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center.
2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup is brought to you by Zebra Holdings and of course PMFTC. PMFTC, leading tobacco and cigarette manufacturing company in the Philippines. So, pag-usapan naman natin, Arjan, ano nangyari doon sa first quarter?
Well, of course, Ariel Cancio.
Oo.
Nga, nakita naman natin obvious reason kung bakit lamang ang ZHI doon. Pero yun nga, kung bakit lumamang ang ZHI, high percentage lahat ng tinitake nilang field goals nung first quarter. Kaya meron silang 55%.
Grabe.
Nung first quarter. At dito naman sa PMTC, masyadong mababa ang kanilang percentage. Shooting just 33%.
Wow.
8 out of 24.
But regardless, first quarter pa lang naman yun.
Yes.
We'll never know. As ZHI. Oh, good stripped by Gian Pascual. And this game is brought to you by UE Manila, University of Day's Manila, home of top-notchers and achievers. Oh, look at that. Kitang-kita ng referee yung push doon ni Carlo Pascual. Kala niya makakatakas siya.
Oo.
So Gian Pascual gets his first foul of the game. A minute in the second quarter. So not only Ariel Cancio scoring in double digits all in the first quarter, getting 16 points. The player behind him is actually Del Carmen, Joselito Del Carmen. As look at that. Bucket plus the foul for Vicente Aringo. Ito nga yung sinabi ko eh. Hindi pa nga gumagawa masyado si Vicente Aringo. Lamang na ang ZHI. It's been all Ariel Cancio. This guy last game scored 32 points. 6 rebounds and 8 steals. Yan si Vicente Aringo.
Grabe. Yung firepower na tinatago ng ZHI, meron ka pa palang Ariel Cancio, no?
Na hindi nila pinalaro last game. Sabi, hindi, sige, ikaw na lang muna, Vicente, ha? And this game is brought to you by Tanduay, of course. Nako, in a ball game like this one, ganitong weather, ang sarap uminom ng Tanduay. After natin mag-cover na game, or after mag-work, of course. Let's look at that shot. Vicente Aringo. Back-to-back shots for Vicente. Nagkakaroon na ng breakaway itong ZHI.
Kung first quarter, mainit para sa ZHI ay si Ariel Cancio. Ngayon naman si Vicente Aringo.
Kita mo, pinapahinga nga nila si Cancio ngayon eh.
Hindi pa nagsasabay yan.
Oo. But so, if I'm PMFTC, I'm gonna need to find a way how to answer dito sa mga scorers ng ZHI. Kailangan, nasa target ko si Vicente Aringo and etong si Ariel Cancio. Oh, good feed inside to Edgardo Pangilinan.
Edgardo Pangilinan. What a way para mag-step up dito sa PMFTC. Baba ngayon ng kalamangan sa 8. ZHI, Vicente Aringo, talagang pinupuntahan ng kanilang opensa dito. Ooh, dangerous foul there.
Sakto. Ang alam, I think it's Edgardo Pangilinan. Ayun nga. Yan, ito, papasok si Cancio.
Alam mo, Rowie, pansin ko lang every time na nagko-cover tayo ng games, kung sino yung nakashoot, tendency talaga siya rin yung makaka-foul, no?
May gigil eh.
Oo, no? Ayun yung,
baka kasi after nila makascore, baka ma-query over ko to sa depensa ko naman. Kaso nasusobrahan nga lang.
Nasusobrahan, no?
Yun nga lang. Sablay yung unang free throw ni Aldi Gucor. As Aldi, second attempt. No go. Aldi Gucor still scoreless in this game. And may foul on Fontanos. So Luis gets his first foul and penalty na. Ang PMFTC Lions were just 2 minutes and 41 seconds in the second quarter. Penalty na itong PMFTC.
They have to be careful and disciplined dito sa ating laro. And yan yung mga bagay na hindi mo pwedeng i-give up. Lalo na't naghahabol kayo.
Yes. And lucky break lang as CHI. Lucky break for PMFTC as ZHI only shooting 40% from the line. Oh. Foul naman dito si Ferdinand Adrigado. Ito, isa rin to sa mga key scorers for ZHI, si Adrigado. Hindi pa nga masyado gumagawa itong si Ferdinand eh.
Oo.
As G-Boy will head over to the line for a pair of his own. Knocks down the first. These two free throws brought to you by Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipinos, and Asia Brewery. Stay fresh and hydrated. As it goes 2-4-2. They're now shooting 3 out of 10. So 30% from the line itong PMFTC. One of the things that they need to improve on, especially sila yung naghahabol, is to knock down their free throws.
May kita mo naman yung depensa ng PMFTC dito kay Ariel Cancio. Talagang nahihirapan din si Ariel nung kumuha ng bola ngayon. Pero yun nga lang, nasobrahan, na-foul. Pang-anim na foul na ng PMFTC dito. Penalty na sila. Nabigyan na naman ng free throws itong ZHI. And one more thing na nahihirapan dito ang ZHI, yung free throws nila. Itong si Ariel Cancio, so far, I think wala pa siyang nako-convert na free throws. Ayun, na-reverse jinx na.
That's a good jinx naman, diba?
Reverse natin yun. Kasi kanina nagmimintes kapag
pag
pinupuri
binabate.
natin.
Lagi nangyayari yun eh. Yun ang sinasabing commentator's curse eh. Pero don't blame it on us. Di naman kami naririnig ng players.
Yes.
As Vicente Aringo, yan na, pinagsabay na ni Coach Jerwin Dayo, si Vicente Aringo, pati si
Ariel Cancio. Ariel Cancio nga at Vicente nagtutulong. Tulong para dito sa ating laro na makalayo dito kontra sa PMFTC.
And speaking of nakalayo, lumalayo na as Adrigado. Yan pa nga yung again, yan yung sinasabi ko, hindi pa nga masyado nanggingay si Adrigado. So imagine, 3 key scores for ZHI are on the floor right now. Rejected by Edgardo Pangilinan. Fighting for that loose ball. Who gets it? It's Agustin Cosico. Cosico, free throw line, J, in and out. And the rebound dito ni Honeyboy Alejandro. And Arjan, score natin 35-23. And right now in this quarter, nakaka 4 points pa lang ang PMFTC. Make it 6.
Kailangan nilang unti-untiin. Hindi naman makukuha yan ng isang possession. They have to work possession by possession, high percentage, para bumaba ang kalamangan ng ZHI.
We have a timeout break. 35-25 is the score in favor of ZHI.
Sa bawat hakbang mo, mararating mo ang tagumpay. At ang ambisyon mong bagong buhay, para sa'yo at para sa kanila. PNB, every step together.
Abot mo na ang Torres 5 Line, imported from Barcelona, Spain. Lasap mo ang bango, tamis at sarap. Tikman mo, lasapin mo. Abot mo na ang sarap na inaasam mo. Abot mo na ang Torres.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. So far, a double-digit lead already for ZHI as they're shooting 50% from the field compared to PMFTC's 30%. Kitang-kita natin yung disparity ng percentages. What a pass by Roma to Adrigado! And Adrigado got fouled in the act of shooting, so that's going to be 2 shots for Alejandro, or Ferdinand rather.
Yung mga guards ng ZHI, ang galing nilang pumasa sa ilalim, no? Talagang drawing the defense na mag-collapse tapos ida-drop nila sa ilalim. They were very successful na may pasa sa ilalim.
And alam mo yung nakakapagtaka doon, that has been the story for a couple of plays already in this game.
Yes.
But naipapasa pa rin ng ZHI Holdings. PMFTC Lions needs to clog the passing lanes from the outside to the shaded area. Kasi lagi nakakapasok yung pasa ng ZHI. I don't know what's happening.
Exactly.
That's one of the things that they need to work on, especially on the defensive end if you're PMFTC.
Oo. Kasi alam mo pag sa zone defense kasi, very important na nakataas na yung kamay mo.
Oo.
Kasi pag nakataas na yung kamay mo, bababawasan na yung passing lanes na sinasabi nga natin.
And just like that, another pass inside the paint.
And PMFTC, another foul na naman ang give up nila dito. I think that's their 7th or 8th foul on this quarter alone.
Grabe. If you compare to ZHI, nakakaisang foul pa lang sila in this quarter.
They have to be disciplined enough para makadikit dito sa ZHI dahil kung ikaw naman ng ZHI, you have to convert those free throws dahil sayang yung mga pagkakataon.
As Adregado knocks down.
One free throw. Split ang kanyang basket doon.
38-25, 13-point lead in favor of ZHI Holdings. Or Zebra Holdings Inc. Pag ZHI Holdings, ano na pala yun? Zebra Holdings Inc. Holdings. And this game is brought to you by Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. So 4 minutes and 35 remaining. 38-25. Jerwin can't get that one to fall. Aringo with the rebound. Good pass again. What a pass by Roma to Adregado.
Sarap panoorin ng basketball nila. Napakadali eh. Hindi na kailangan mag-dribble, pasa-pasa lang. Sobrang simple.
Roma has been locating Adregado a couple of times already, no? And ang ganda ng timing eh. Yung cut ni Adregado, yung pasa ni Roma. Wow. Great basketball. As what a block by Emmanuel Medinilla. And here comes a 2-on-1 break. Lem rejected by Vicente Aringo.
Vicente Aringo, a two-way player para dito sa ZHI. Hindi lang pang opensa, Rowie, pang depensa rin itong si Vicente.
And that was a huge rejection, no?
And a steal there after a block. Vicente Aringo and Roma from right to left. Hindi nga na-shoot yun. Itong si Roma, talking about Roma, si Ronel Roma, unselfish guard.
Yes.
Hindi niya kailangan pumuntos dahil meron ka ng Vicente, meron ka ng Ariel. It's a matter of paano mo i-feed yung dalawa, paano mo pagaganahin yung dalawang player nyo na scorer.
And
so far, very successful itong si Ronel Roma as a point guard ng ZHI.
Ronel Roma actually dished out 5 assists last game. Imagine mo for a small guard, or for a guard rather, not small guard, for a guard, he garnered 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals last game.
Wow.
And 7 points for Roma.
All-around performance for him. Nakikita naman natin na siya yung nagtitimon para sa kanyang kupunan. And nakita natin maganda yung ball movement ng ZHI dito sa ating laro.
And for PMFTC naman, they really need to step up, especially on the defensive end. Especially yung interior defense nila, they really need to adjust. Kasi you can see, a lot of points here are coming inside the paint for ZHI. Imagine, out of their 40 points, more than half are inside the paint. 22 points from the shaded area, Arjan.
Grabe ang pinapakita talaga.
The can show.
Oo. And talking about free throws, Rowie, 12 na ang fouls ng PMFTC dito so far sa ating laro. At meron pa tayong 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
And right now, ZHI Holdings executing a zona defense, no? 2-3 zone defense dito. Leading to an easy 3 on the other end. That is the weakness of that 2-3 zone, no? Yung outside scoring talaga. And Mendez took advantage of it.
They have to make that para mabutas yung zone defense ng ZHI para mag-adjust yung depensa at magpalit ng depensa itong ZHI.
As Jerwin Diao misses that triple again. Jerwin hasn't knocked down a single 3 yet. Strong rebound. Here comes a 2-on-1. ZHI, great defense with the block by Ramling against Ferdinand Adregado.
Masyadong malaki itong si Ramling.
And Ronel Roma gets his first foul of the game. This game is brought to you by Century Park Hotel Manila. 42-28 ang score. 2 minutes 20 in the first half. As look at that big man going to work inside for Ramling.
Ramling, kailangan niya i-maximize yung height niya dito and size niya sa ating laro. And look at that replay, look at that bump. Absorbing the contact. Two defenders.
And isa pa doon si Aldi Gukor, yung ka-size niya. And this is one of the things that they really need to work on for PMFTC. Of course, the closer you are to the rim, the higher percentage your shots gonna go in any time of the day. They have Ramling. They can give him an option to work inside. Don't make him go to work inside. However, may lane violation pa for ZHI. So may substitute free throw for Ram. And isa nga lang yung jumper dito ng PMFTC. And yun naman, free thrower violation naman.
Oo. Medyo napagod na ata itong si Ramling.
Ang isa sa pinaka nakakapagod sa basketball maliban sa pagtatakbo is makipagbanggaan.
Totoo yan.
Kanina pa siya nakikipagbanggaan inside the paint. As Roma misses that free throw line, Ling. Look at that. Ling muscling his way in, rejected by Gukor. Tapikan ng bola. Ram touched it last. Ball goes back to the white shirts.
Kita mo yung gigil dito kay Ram, no? Na inatake niya yung maraming defender doon sa kabila. ZHI, magandang transition defense naman ang pinakita nila doon.
42-30 is the score. 12-point advantage for ZHI. Unforced error for ZHI. And here comes a 3-on-1 break. And ball rolls in for Emmanuel Medinilla.
Yun yung mga kailangan iwasan ng ZHI dito, Rowie, na yung mga turnovers na ganon kasi ayaw mo nang bigyan ng chance na magkaroon ng momentum itong PMFTC.
Let's look at that. After that miss by Sherwin Dayao, Ferdinand Adregado cleans it up and in. Now has 12 points. Imagine, for PMFTC, wala pang nakaka-double digit scoring. Ang highest pointer is Cancho with 20, Adregado with 12, Aringo with 10.
Wow. The firepower na meron ang ZHI. Mahirap Mahirap kalaban ng mga ganyang players.
Speaking of firepower, that was a great 3-point shot for Eric Mendez from beyond the arc. Decreases the lead to single digits. And another turnover dito para si ZHI. So 44-35 ang score. Wide open three. Knocks that one in. Back-to-back threes for Eric Mendez.
Wow. Much needed basket para bumaba yung ating kalamangan ng ZHI dito. Pero yun nga, may sagot agad dito si Ferdinand Adregado.
And ta-time out dito ang PMFTC Lions with 19 seconds remaining. Score is 46-38. We'll be back right after this.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Here we tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. When you drink tayong favorite. Refresh your eyes. Yummy rise. Invigorize. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump. Rise Energy Pop, ang bagong fruity grape surprise na sakto ang price. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Welcome back, folks, to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. 19 seconds remaining in the first half. An 8-point lead dito para sa ZHI. That's the end of play dito. So look at that steal! And lays it up and in! Vicente Aringo steals the ball and steals the show, and another steal for ZHI. Vicente setting it up. They have 7 seconds remaining. Score natin 48-38. And look at that three! For the big guy, Aldi Gukor.
What a last 19 seconds here in the second quarter for ZHI, Arjan.
What a way for ZHI to end the second quarter, and the costly turnovers para dito sa PMFTC na ibaba na nila yung kalamangan. Yun nga lang, after the timeout, back-to-back turnovers ang nakomit ng PMFTC doon.
So back to a double-digit lead in favor of ZHI. Actually, PMFTC was able to cut it down na nga to single digits. But grabe, that was a 5-point swing in the last 19 seconds of the second quarter favoring ZHI. That's why that at the end of the first half, our score is 51-38 in favor of Zebra Holdings Inc. We'll have a quick halftime break, folks. We'll be back for more BKT action when we return.
Cheers sa barkada nating night shift.
Kahit gaano kabigat ang night shift, magaan ang umaga. Pagkasama ang barkada at Tanduay Light. Tanduay Light, gaan ng may kasama.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Hilby, tuloy-tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. When you drink tayong favorite. Refresh your eyes. Yum the rise. Invigorize. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Rise Energy Pop, ang bagong fruity grape surprise na sakto ang price.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Open up! Never have I ever dared to stand out. Said yes to the unknown. Lit up the night. Don't worry, the fun never ever has to stop.
Tanduay flavored mixes. Try it in smooth, citrusy sweet daiquiri or fresh ginger spice zesty storm. Tanduay flavored mixes.
Just open up.
Drink responsibly.
Abot mo na ang Torres 5 Line, imported from Barcelona, Spain. Lasap mo ang bango, tamis at sarap. Tikman mo, lasapin mo. Abot mo na ang sarap na inaasam mo. Abot mo na ang Torres.
Kahit pagod, matibay ang loob. Pag nagkamali, handang itama. Kasama mo, Tanduay, higit 170 years ng suwabe at buo ang lasa. Para sa matibay ang loob, tibay, Tanduay.
This could be you.
Be the face that redefines Philippine healthcare. Unleash your potential. Ignite your purpose. University of the East Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center.
Sa bawat hakbang mo, mararating mo ang tagumpay. At ang ambisyon mong bagong buhay para sa'yo at para sa kanila. PNB, every step together.
Kahit gaano kabigat ang night shift, magaan ang umaga. Pagkasama ang barkada at Tanduay Light. Tanduay Light, gaan ng may kasama.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy from
Here we tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. May new drink tayong favorite. Refresh your eyes. Yummy rise. Invigorize. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pop.
Rise Energy Pop, ang bagong fruity grape surprise na sakto ang price.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pop.
Open up!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. And at the end of the first half, our score is 51-38, already a 13-point advantage dito para sa Zebra Holdings Inc. as they are on a roll in the first half. Arjan.
They're on the roll nga. Itong ZHI, mainit starting the ball game. Mainit pa rin hanggang matapos yung second quarter. Well, PMFTC sa kabilang panig naman nagkaroon sila ng mini run led by Mendez.
Yes, those back-to-back threes.
Back-to-back threes na ibaba nila yung kalamangan into 8, I believe. Pero yun nga lang, may sagot agad ang ZHI doon. And talking about ZHI, tignan mo naman yung disparity on the 2 points made ng ZHI to PMFTC. 17 out of 26. While on the other hand, PMFTC 10 out of 31. Masyadong mababa, no? Compared dito sa ZHI. And bench points, kita natin. Ang bench points ng
8 for PMFTC. 3 naman sa ZHI.
So, nakita natin sa starters, nagre-rely itong ZHI. Points from turnovers, 18-9 lamang doon. Ang ZHI, successful sila sa pag-convert ng turnovers. And sa free throws naman, napakadaming give up ng PMFTC. At marami rin silang minintis dito sa ating first half.
And for PMFTC, they got 10 turnovers, and out of those 10 turnovers, naka 26. Or sorry, yun nga, 18 points from turnovers. Etong ZHI Holdings. Let's take a look at the leading scores. Kitang-kita mo yung difference kagad ng leading scores ng dalawang kupunan natin, Arjan.
Oo, kitang-kita natin yung starters ng ZHI. Ariel Cancio, Adrigado, Vicente Aringo. Talagang doing damage dito sa ating laro. Pero meron namang lone bright spot dito sa PMFTC. Mendez ang nagkaroon ng mini run before the end of the second quarter.
Yes, and for Del Carmen and Medanilia, they are also expected to step up here for Coach Joseph Analdea. So let's see ano ang game plan dito ng PMFTC Lions, especially they won their first game. Of course, they want to start a back-to-back win dito sa kanilang opening games this season. As Mendez missed that 3. Aringo, look at that baseball pass to Roma. And Roma couldn't get it to go. Good defense by Eric Mendez.
Magandang transition defense doon ng PMFTC.
And right now, they're going to work inside. And last touch by ZHI. As PMFTC, loses the rock. Ball goes back to the white shirts.
Forced turnovers na naman para dito sa ZHI. Yung mga kailangan iwasan talaga dito ng PMFTC. Kailangan avoid na nila yung mga turnovers na yan at i-limit nila.
Alam mo, may napansin ako dito, Arjun Sa first quarter, naka 19 points ang PMFTC. Sa second quarter, naka 19 points din sila. So literally back-to-back 19-point game in a 19-point quarter for PMFTC in the first half. For ZHI naman, they scored 24 points in the first quarter. In the second quarter, they scored 27 as Rodel Roma knocks down that jumper. And this is our UE players on the floor. For ZHI is Roma, Adrigado, Aringo, Dayo, and Cancio. For PMFTC, it's Ling, Relos, Pascual, Mendez, and Del Carmen. Kita mo, nagbibinata na ako dito sa BKT Inter-Sister Cup. Kakasigaw ko dahil grabe, ang exciting ng games natin ngayon. Arjan.
Exactly, no? Unang dalawang laro natin, very close game. Itong third game, pilit dumidikit itong PMFTC dito sa ZHI.
Yes, we'll never know. Kasi sa second game natin kanina, UE Manila was actually down by 15 points against PAL, and they were able to take the lead. So let's see if that will be the same story here for PMFTC against ZHI. Yun ang pinaka-favorite saying ko kasi, yung sinasabi nga sa basketball na bilog ang bola. Kasi anything can happen in a game. May kilala nga akong team, hindi nakascore ng point in 8 minutes eh. Imagine mo yun, di ba? Bilog kasi ang bola.
Oo
diba?
naman, bilog ang bola.
Anything can happen. Ibig sabihin maganda yung depensa nung kabilang team na yun. Pero let's see if anong storya dito for PMFTC. Let's look at that shot inside for Joselito Del Carmen.
Tikan pa. Magkaroon lang turnover doon. Pero buti na lang, naisalo at na-convert yung puntos na yun.
Cuts it down the lead to just 13. Mababa pa. Kailangan habulin ng PMFTC dito. As a 3 is up and good for Vicente Aringo. Aringo now with 15.
Paano natin pipigilan itong tatlong players ng ZHI?
Wala pa nga si Cancho sa floor.
Oo.
As perimeter jumper is up and good on the other side of the floor for Gian Pascual. That shot is brought to you by PNB, Philippine National Bank, your reliable partner for personal banking. As Jerwin has it. Behind the back. And that's going to be a travel on Ferdinand Adrigado. Ball goes back to PMFTC.
Unforced turnovers, kailangan i-maximize ng PMFTC yan, pagbaba sa kanilang possession na to. Kailangan makakonvert sila.
And who gets it? Here comes PMFTC and a 3-point shot for Eric Mendez. Eric Mendez is the leading scorer naman for PMFTC with 15 points. Ang nasa likod niya, it's Joselito Del Carmen with 11.
Ganda nilalaro ni Mendez dito.
Look at that. Top passing ang ginawa ng ZHI, leading to an easy shot for Ferdinand Adrigado. This game is brought to you by PMFTC, delivering a smoke-free future. Wow! Oh my goodness! Another back-to-back threes for Eric Mendez. Nangyari to kanina during the second quarter.
Inulit pa niya. Mainit. Ito nga si Mendez ngayon.
As Vicente is kind of quiet here in the third. Look at that eye in the sky play. Wala nga lang for Aldi Gucor. Eric kicks it. Gian bounces it. Eric, he's feeling it. And 2 free throws dito for Don Direlos.
Magugustuhan mo yung nilalaro dito ni Mendez, no? Na very patient on his offense. Alam niya mainit siya, nag-hard close out na sa kanya yung defender, countering that close out and dishing out that assist para dito kay Don Direlos.
Yes, that shows high basketball IQ. No? Alam niya na alam ng kalaban na mainit siya.
Yes.
So magko-close out sa kanya. So there's gonna be creating some space for his teammates. So less than 6 minutes to play here in the third quarter. 8-point lead in favor of Zebra Holdings Inc. Aringo. Jerwin. Too strong. Jerwin Dayao has been ice cold in this game. Haven't synced in a 3-point yet. Oh, may leak out. Relos was already on the other side. And that's just an easy layup for Don D.
Amoy, ito ang mahirap kapag yung starters mo ay playing heavy minutes, Rowie, dahil factor dito yung yung fatigue ng mga players. So nakita natin back-to-back transition offense ng PMFTC, hindi bumaba yung ZHI. So nandyan na yung pagod. So tingnan natin kung ma-overcome nila yung pagod na tsaka yung pressure na binibigay ng PMFTC dito.
And let's see, meron tayong Modern Fox timeout break. We'll back right after this.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Hilby, tuloy-tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. When you drink tayong favorite. Refresh your eyes. Yummy rise. Invigorize. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
Rise Energy Pop, ang bagong fruity grape surprise na sakto ang price.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pump.
The 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cups brought to you by Philippine Airlines, UE Manila, Asia Brewery, PMFTC, Modern Fox, UERM Medical Center, Torres 5 Light Brandy, Tanduay Athletics, Zebra Holdings, and PNB. As Adrigado knocks down the free throw, now has 17. Partido, wala pa nga si Ariel Cancho on the floor dito sa third quarter. Hasn't checked in yet here in the second half. As Adrigado goes 2 for 2. Papasok dito si Luis Fontanos.
Relax lang daw si Cancho.
Oh, so naka 20 na ako. Last game, di nga ako naglaro eh.
So, tatapusin niya ulit yung ano, baka makaka-40 pa.
Sa first quarter ka, naka 16 points na siya. Grabe. As Gukor, there's a leak out. Here comes Aringo. Will shoot a long 2. Rebound by Eric. Oh, risky pass there, pero nakuha pa rin ni Fontanos ang bola. Good defense by Aldi. Adrigado, nowhere to go and traveling nga lang for Ferdinand Adrigado.
Nadulas sa kanya yung bola. So, nagmamadali din yung ZHI dito so far sa kanilang opensiba. Kaya kung ikaw naman ang PMFTC, yan yung gugustuhin mo eh. Mag-commit sila ng mga 4 shots, ng 4 turnovers. And look at that 3-pointer
for Dondi Relos.
Oo.
And like what you've said, no, turnovers. Actually, parehas itong teams na to, meron na silang 11 turnovers respectively. However, points from turnovers yung naging difference. So ZHI with 11 turnovers, nakaka 12 points lang from turnovers itong PMFTC. For PMFTC naman, sa 11 turnovers ng ZHI, nakaka 20 points etong ZHI. As Aldi Gukor able to clean up that mess.
Finally, basket din ng ZHI. Medyo natagalan yung kanilang pag-basket doon.
As Mendez, good kick out, extra pass. Oh, that's gonna be a dribbling, travel. Too unselfish. Sabi ni Joselito, Fontanos, itira mo na yun.
Lahat talaga ng sobra, masama.
Oo. Kaya nga, ano lang daw, pass moderately.
Yeah.
Sabi, pass, di ba? Kailangan. Tama naman, di ba? Tama naman. Pass mo. Pag overpassing, sobra na yun. Pass moderately lang. As this game is brought to you by Eaton Properties Philippines, Inc. As Aldi. No go. Andito na si
Cancho.
Ariel, good feed inside. Rejected from behind by Randy Cabais. And here comes Dondi. Relos lays it up. Shorts. Got imitated by the presence of Ariel Cancho. And look at that. Knocking down that triple was Vicente Aringo. Aringo now with 18. Adrigado and Aringo. Parehas na silang may 18 points ha. Si Cancho naman 20 points.
Bigat ng binibigay na puntos ng dalawang player na ito.
But Dondi Relos naman with a quick retaliation. Dondi Relos now with 11 points. Parehas na sila ni Joselito del Carmen. ZHI. Oh, good pull-up job. No go for Ferdinand Adrigado. Mendez takes it all the way. And the foul for Eric Mendez.
Eric Mendez. Oh my goodness.
That was over a much taller defender. Look at that. Eric Mendez against the outstretched arms, or arm rather, of Aldi Gukor.
Mainit itong si Eric Mendez, playing heavy minutes para sa PMFTC.
Now playing for 24 minutes itong si Eric. He now has 20 points in the game. Parehas na sila ni Cancho. And Cancho kinda still trying to score here in the second half. And matagal yung pahinga niya dito sa second half. Aldi. Edwan. Oh, masyadong clamped up yung space na yon for ZHI. 8 seconds on the shot clock. As Cancho short. Cancho gets his own miss. Great defense for ZHI. Tapi ka ng bola. Kuha ni Eric. Mendez goes all the way. Oh my goodness! Eric Mendez!
This guy
is on fire. Akala ko sasabihin mo eh.
Mainit naman talaga siya.
This
Mainit.
guy, yung yung may birit talaga. Edwan slicing up the D for Edwan Galero. And I believe that's the first made bucket of Edwan Galero. 67-61. Cabais try to muscle his way in with the fake, with the English off the glass is good for Randy Cabais.
Tinitignan ko yung depensa kay Eric Mendez ngayon. Sobrang nakadikit na itong si Adrigado sa kanya. Hindi na pinapatanggap ng bola. Tingnan mo naman, full court pa lang pinipick up na siya. Pero dahil nga ganun yung depensa, nagkakaroon ng butas. And speaking of butas, nahanap naman yun ng PMFTC.
Si Emmanuel Medenilia with that end one play, the highlight way. Medenilia against two white jerseys but saying no problem at all, says Emmanuel. And eto, Arjan, 2 points na lang ang lamang ng ZHI. PMFTC cutting it down to just 2. And nakuha pa ni Luis Fontanos. Luis! And rejected by Aldi.
Posibleng fatigue factor na nga ang nangyayari dito sa ZHI. Dahil na makikita natin, ayan, katulad niyan, 3 versus 2 on the transition. Hindi talaga bumababa itong ZHI.
And eto, what a great layup for PMFTC. We are now tied at 6-7.
6-7.
Fan ka ba nun?
Oo naman. Idol ko yung Diego De La Paz.
Ako rin eh.
Oo.
Ibang klase. May De La Paz na may De La Cruz pa. Nagsama dito sa BKT. As look at that shot for Ariel Cancho. That's his first made bucket of the second half for Ariel Cancho, as that score is 69-67. We'll have a quick break, folks. With 6.4 seconds remaining, our score is 69-67. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. And eto, Arjan, may nanonood kasi gustong magpa-shoutout eh.
Ayan.
Papa-shoutout, of course, si Father Prime. Walang iba kundi si Stevenson Rodolfo Belinario. So, shoutout kay Father Prime. Gumagawa ng mga graphics, no? Isa sa mga idol yan sa industriya. As look at that! And beating the buzzer! But the referees will review that shot of Gian Pascual. Oh my goodness. But from the looks of it, from my angle, I think that's good.
Yeah. Napakaganda ng drawing na play ng kanilang coach na si Coach Joseph Alan Aldea. Making that basket. Much needed para may tabla yung laro natin.
And right on your screen, right on cue, Coach Joseph Alan Aldea. And from the looks of it, from my angle, counted yon, but the referees are going to the IRS. Alam mo ba meaning ng IRS, Arjan?
Oo naman.
Ano meaning ng IRS?
Instant replay.
Hindi, irresistible Rowie sa kote. But ayun na nga, our referee saying that last shot of Gian Pascual will not count.
Oh.
So the ball was still in his hands. Again, from my angle, akala ko counted, but the referees are saying, okay? Okay, pati ako, yun yung reaction ko eh, kila Coach Joseph Alan Aldea. But again, ladies and gentlemen, that last shot of Gian Pascual did not count, so that's why the score is 69-67. Well, I believe we'll now go to a quick break. We'll be back after this.
Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy bomb.
POV, tuloy-tuloy ang mga ganaps. You need to keep your energy up. So tired of the usual. May new drink tayong favorite. Refresherize, yummerize, invigorize. Sarap mag-rise.
Start of the fourth and final quarter, and a quick foul against PMFTC. That's going to be on Luis Fontanos. That's going to be second foul of the game. So again, ulitin ko lang ha, hindi counted yung last shot ni Gian Pascual. That's why our score is 69-67.
And one thing na napansin ko nung third quarter, Rowie, itong PMFTC, naging disiplinado sila sa depensa nila.
Yes.
Hindi sila nag-give up ng mga fouls, hindi sila nag-give up ng mga free throws. Kaya ngayon, nakadikit sila. And at the same time, nako-convert nila yung mga turnovers na nafo-force nila against ZHI.
As Roma, there's a leak out. They need a safety player to guard Vicente Arrigo because that happened a couple of times already here in this ball game. Eric feeling it. No go. Tapi ka ng bola. Last touch by ZHI. Oh, grabe. Mas intense. Ramdam mo kagad ang intensity dito sa fourth quarter, Arjan.
Mahigpit na depensa ang ina-apply ng dalawang kuponan dito.
Yes, Dondi Relos and Randy Cabay checks in for Gian Pascual and Luis Fontanos. 10 seconds on the shot clock dito para sa PMFTC, and that's what we call a knockout play, no? Quick shot for Ramling.
A soft touch doon with the big man of PMFTC, Ramling. Gandang baseline
Inbound play.
Inbound play.
Sherwin still scoreless. Or only has 2 points so far rather. Good pass again. Kanina pa yan
Kanina pa. Parang nanonood tayo ng instant replay. Irresistible Rowie sa kote.
Wala akong sinabi. Ikaw nagsabi niyan ha. Wala akong sinabi. Di ba na tuloy meaning ng IRS? For those who don't know, it's instant replay system. What a tap pass! Wala nga lang! For Emmanuel Medinilla, but he gets it right back. Ramling misses on that layup. Eric dives for it, and who's fouled? Ooh. It's Ferdinand Adregado. Grabe, mas intense na yung game ngayon dito sa fourth quarter. And alam mo, napansin ko, lahat ng games natin ngayong araw, tight game no?
Oo, gaganda nung laro. And yun yung aabangan mo talaga kapag ka nanonood ka ng BKT Inter-Sister Cup.
Yes, mas lalo kapag si Arjan de la Cruz, pati Diego de la Paz na nagko-conference. Eric Mendez knocks down a 3-point shot once again. He now has 25 points.
Bigat.
Grabe. And here comes PFTC. PMFTC lays it up. Eric, masyadong malakas nga lang. And Relos with the foul. Great body control for Dondi.
Dondi Relos. Baga kanina, pinapanood natin. This.
After
Sablay.
that,
Nilinis yung basura.
Dondi Relos turning garbage and into gold plus the foul. So he'll head over to the charity stripe for one more. And lamang na ang PMFTC ng isa, 74-73. And ito yung taong naka 2 points lang in the second half. Itong si Cancio. No? Again, limited lang kasi yung minutes niya in the third quarter. So hindi pa siya masyado nag-iinit ulit compared to his performance in the first half.
Medyo mahaba atang naupo kaya lumamig.
Oo.
Ofensiba nito ni
Ariel
Cancio.
So Arbis, good pass inside once again. Oh, great hands in the sky defense for Ramling. That was all honest. Mali nga lang yung pektos doon ni Emmanuel Medinilla. And
may kita mo sa transition, hindi na rin talaga bumababa yung ZHI. So, makita mo yung pagod nila eh.
So ngayon, nakikita na natin kung bakit lamang ang PMFTC.
Yes.
As Brian, taking the point. Aringo. Masyadong malakas nga lang. Great defense. Offensive rebound. Another great bother for Ramling. Hindi niya na nga kinokontest para... Hindi niya na ini-aim ma-block eh.
Yes.
Ini-aim niya na lang makontest yung shot doon ni Ariel Cancio. Actually, that's what great defenders do. Yung ma-bother lang yung shooter. Yung block, that's just second nature na lang yun eh.
Oo, bonus na yan eh.
Bonus.
Oo. Alam mo, offensive, etong si Eric Mendez, yung offense niya, deadly sa labas, pero may atake din. Kaya nakakapanlin lang itong si Eric Mendez. Hindi mo alam kung mag-hard closeout ka sa kanya or mag-short closeout ka sa kanya. Kahit ano, kayang gawin eh.
Oo. However, this team, PMFTC, that has been their kryptonite, no? Yung free throws. They're now shooting 5 out of 20. Arbis. Left wing 3. As Jerwin Dayao knocks down his first 3 of the game. Kaya naman pala. Parehas pala kami ng sapatos.
Yun.
Ganyan din sapatos ko eh. Yes. Look at that layup for Emmanuel Medinilla. Palitan ng scoring ngayon. But PMFTC up by 1, 77-76. And we have a quick timeout break. Atid sa inyo ng Modern Fox Barbershop for the Modern Gentleman.
Kahit pagod, matibay ang loob. Pag nagkamali, handang itama. Kasama mo, Tanduay, higit 170 years ng suwabe at buo ang lasa. Para sa matibay ang loob, tibay, Tanduay.
The 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup is live inside the Bongtan Basketball Hall here in Quiapo, Manila. And admissions are free. Wala pong bayad dito if you want to watch some hard action basketball jump-packed ball game dito lang po sa Bongtan Basketball Hall, Quiapo, Manila. And right now, look at that smart defense by Eric Mendez rather. However, out of bounds nga lang for PMFTC.
Miss opportunity para sa PMFTC, pero good thing is nakaka-stop na sila and they completed the stop.
And that's just a walk in the park moment for Dondi Relos, as Dondi now with 15 points. And he's the second leading scorer for PMFTC.
Dondi Relos, hindi siya naghahanap ng kanyang offense eh. Dumadating yung opensa sa kanya kasi dumidepensa siya. So, dun siya kumukuha ng puntos niya.
Actually, yung impact nga ni Dondi sa third quarter.
Exactly.
As Jerwin, wild shots. Here comes Eric. And ball stays with PMFTC. Nalito ko kanina. Nasabi ko Eric Mendoza. Shout out to Governor Eric Mendoza. Of course, a good friend of ours. Eric Mendez now with 26 points. He's the leading scorer in this game. 5 minutes and 20 to play in the fourth and final period as Ram posting up. Cancio going to work inside and it's good.
Ramling. Alam niya na may advantage siya down low. Capitalizing that advantage.
Yes, now has 6 points and 11 rebounds. Good pass and ball rolls out for Edwan Galero. Balik ang bola sa PMFTC. And look at that. Easy lay for Emmanuel Medinilla. No defense from Zebra holding Zinc. They're just giving away that possession.
They're just hoping na yung PMFTC magmintis eh.
Yun na lang. Hindi na dumidepensa eh. And for ZHI, they only have one timeout remaining na lang. And another great stop for PMFTC. The tables have turned here in the fourth and final quarter. Here comes Galero. 4-on-1 break.
Oh! That was a huge stop by Dondi! And Dondi steals the ball! Dondi steals the show! Oh my goodness, Rowie. Once again, 1 against 4.
Alam mo, defensive player of the year na yun eh.
Oo.
Imagine mo, isa ka lang, 4 binabantayan mo, nakuha mo pa yung possession.
Oh my goodness.
This guy has been the energy giver for PMFTC Lions, Dondi Relos. And ngayon, may timeout break tayo. Atid sa inyo ng Modern Facts. The score is 78-85 in favor of PMFTC.
Cheers sa barkada nating night shift.
Kahit gaano kabigat ang night shift, magaan ang umaga. Pagkasama ang barkada at Tanduay Light. Tanduay Light, gaan ang may kasama.
Sa bawat hakbang mo, mararating mo ang tagumpay. At ang ambisyon mong bagong buhay para sa'yo at para sa kanila. PNB, every step together.
Welcome back to the Bongtan Basketball Hall here in Quiapo, Manila for the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. And just want to remind everyone that this is just the second game day natin in this season. And already, grabe yung day 2 natin. Ha? Puro bakbakan as in literally close ball games.
Oo.
But we still have 3 minutes and 40 remaining. PMFTC enjoying a 7-point lead as that's a wide open shot. Great play drawn by Coach Joseph Alan Aldea. That's a high percentage shot for Dondi Relos.
Much needed basket para kahit papaano mas magkaroon sila ng breather dito sa ating laro.
And look at that, to silence the run here. Vicente Aringo knocking down the right corner triple. 81-87. 6 pa hinahabol dito ng Zebra Holdings Inc. Anything can still happen here. Oh my goodness. High arcing shot for Emmanuel Medinilla.
Lumuwag yung depensa ng ZHI dito.
Oh, they're going for a short defensive play here for PMFTC. Yung sentro nila nasa gitna to defend the paint. As Jerwin misses on that 3. Jerwin Daya only made 1 3 so far in this game.
The body language of ZHI. Nakikita mo talaga dito sa ating laro.
Bumagsak.
Oo.
And oh my goodness!
My goodness.
Emmanuel Medinilla! That is a highlight play that's worth a second look. Look at that! With the English off the glass against 2 white jerseys. Emmanuel Medinilla, welcome to my TikTok moment. Ang question, may TikTok ba si Emmanuel Medinilla? And this game is brought to you by Century Park Hotel. Up by a double-digit margin etong PMFTC as Aldi Gucor cuts it down to just single digits. 92-83 ang score natin dito. And we are down to the last 2 minutes of this game, brought to you by Torres 5 Light Brandy, a timeless classic. And another shot for Emmanuel Medinilla. Medinilla now has 20 points. So, wow. In the fourth quarter. What a great run for PMFTC Lions. And Eric Mendez just went out to gamble on that steal. So Eric Mendez gets his 3rd foul of the game.
Biglang bumaligtad yung laro, Rowie. Sinabi mo nga, bilog ang bola.
Oo.
A minute and a half to play. Nowhere to go. Etong si Ariel Cancio. But still able to find his way in for that deuce. And for PMFTC, this is the right way to do it. You don't need to rush your shots. Because you are up in this game by a huge by 9 points already. And Mendez gets it right back. Ayun nga, tama yan. Ubusin nyo lang yung oras. And for those who are watching, we still have one more game after this one. It's going to be UERM versus Tanduay and Basic Holdings. That will be our main game for today. And this one's pretty much over. You can already see that CHI Holdings are going to be giving this game to PMFTC. And PMFTC, this is another win from behind, no? Arjan.
Parehas na storya ng second game natin, Rowie.
Pati first game, diba? Inabol ng nakahabol ng PNB sa ABI.
Yes.
And yeah, this one's it. And ayun, nakascore pa si Sherwin Dayaw. Now with 7 points. Si playing head coach. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. That is the final game for our third game for today. A 12-point victory for PMFTC Lions, 98-87. And again, it has been actually the second half run for PMFTC. That's why they won this game, Arjan.
Exactly, no? Yun na nga yung sinasabi natin, fatigue factor ang nangyari. Ang naging storya dito sa ating laro. ZHI, strong start, pero syempre, sabi mo nga, it's not how you start the game.
Yes.
It's how you end the game, finish the game. Yun na nga, para dito sa PMFTC. What a game para kay Mendenilla, para kay Mendez, at para kay Relos. Oo, napakaganda ng nilaro ng tatlong players na to.
And that is the end of this ball game. Our final score is 98-87. A 12-point come from behind win by PMFTC, and they are now in a 2-game winning streak in this tournament. And our 3-point highlights naman, of course, brought to you by University of the East Philippines. All throughout this game, naka 40% from beyond the arc. Etong PMFTC for Zebra Holdings Inc. naman, they shot 6 out of 31. Only 19% from beyond the arc for PMFTC. Arjan, kilala naman natin kung sino yung pinakamaraming tres doon.
Nag-init Talagang nag-init dito sa ating laro. Hindi lang 3 points ang kanyang mga binitawan. Mabibigat din na mga foul basket. Mabibigat din na
ayun,
2-point shots. Oo.
Nakita niya na. Ayun nga, that guy shot 7 out of 15 from beyond the arc, no? Si Eric Mendez. So, let's see kung sino nga ba ang ating best player of the game, best rebounder, assist man of the game, 3-point shooter. And eto muna, best rebounder of the game muna natin is no other than Ariel Cancio. Ariel Cancio got 20 rebounds. Actually, isama mo na yung points niya. 24 points, 20 rebounds for Ariel Cancio in his debut game this season.
Wow. Making a statement.
And next naman natin is our PNB. 3-point shooter na ba yung next natin? Tinitignan ko lang kasi yung screen natin But I believe next natin is yung Asia Brewery best defensive player of the game natin with Vicente Aringo. This guy got 4 defensive rebounds, 4 steals, and 4 blocks. Etong si Aringo, that's why siya ang ating Asia Brewery best defensive player of the game. Next naman natin is the guy who dished out a ton of assists. Best assist of the game natin. Our pal, assist man of the game is no other than Eric Mendez with 11 assists, Arjan.
Wow. Pero yung 3-point shooter of the game muna tayo ng PNB.
Oo. 3-point shooter muna tayo.
Oo.
Ito si Eric Mendez with 7 out of 15. 46%
Wow.
from beyond the arc. Grabe. And siya na rin ang ating best assist. Pal. Assist man of the game natin with 11 assists. So grabe ang mga freebies na mga matatanggap nito ni Eric Mendez. Yan, deserve mo yung Tanduay Select na yan.
Oo naman.
Oo, Eric Mendez. And
Last bigat, Rowie. 36 minutes naglaro itong si 36. Make it 37.
3 minutes lang nagpahinga. And ating best player of the game, atid sa inyo ng Tanduay, no other than Eric Mendez as well. 26 points, 8 rebounds, and 11 assists. So ito na lang masasabi ko, Eric, kota ka na. Sobra. Eric Mendez, assist man of the game. Our 3-point shooter of the game, pati best player of the game. But that concludes our third game for today here in the 2026 BKT Inter-Sister Cup. Because coming up is our main game for today. It's UERM Medical Center matching up against Tanduay and Basic Holdings. Once again, my name is Rowie Sacote. Together with me is Arjan De La Cruz and our writer, Diego De La Paz. We'll see you guys in the next game. Peace!
Cheers sa barkada nating night shift.
Kahit gaano kabigat ang night shift, magaan ang umaga. Pagkasama ang barkada at Tanduay Light. Tanduay Light, gaan ng may kasama.